This is Tiffany. She's a T-Rex. Hey, look, it's me on the TV. Are you dead? Tiffany died! Oh, wait, she might still be alive. Tiffany, are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Hey, are you there? Are you there?
Nope, I'm dead.
You're dead?
Yeah.
But you're talking to me.
Yeah, it's my spirit.
Oh, well, can your spirit come back to me? Oh, you're alive again.
I'm a demonic force. My name is Alan. My name is Alan.
Your name is Alan?
My name is Alan. I'm a velociraptor. I took over her body. My name is Alan. I died a couple years ago.
Reincarnation?
No, I died a couple years ago, so I decided I was gonna be trash or sex. I used to be a bird. I used to be a dragonfly. Yeah, that's what I used to be. My name is Alan.
That's beautiful.
I'm Alan.
Are you gonna do something for us, or are you just gonna say I'm Alan?
I'm Alan. I can't get my arms are too small. I just, yeah.
Oh yeah, you did it, Alan.
I like bananas.
You like bananas?
I like bananas.
There's bananas in the car.
I want bananas.
You can have
I like waffles. Do you have any waffles?
at my house, yeah.
I want waffles now.
I don't have any now.
I want waffles now.
I don't have any waffles.
Get some fucking waffles.
No.
I want waffles.
No. You lost your accent.
Give me the fucking waffles.